Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. Open source, a philosophy of boundless scope. Where tech is accessible, without any chokehold. In the spirit of collaboration, we all play a part. We share, and innovation takes heart. Innovative, flexible, open source's true domain. Developers worldwide, in a harmonious chain. Issues resolved swiftly, security's firm hold. In the open source world, stories of success are told. Customization reigns, with software tailored just right. No costly licenses, no proprietary fight. Open source technology, democratizing light. Empowering all to reach for innovation's height. In this dynamic age, its importance does swell. A beacon of change, it has a story to tell. Open source plays a pivotal role in democratizing technology, broadening its accessibility to those who might otherwise be excluded. By making technology more inclusive, open source empowers individuals to create and innovate, leading to a more diverse and inclusive technology industry. It is not just a development model, it's a philosophy that promotes technology accessibility for all. The core idea is to eliminate restrictions and barriers to entry. In the open source world, collaboration and community are paramount, allowing anyone to contribute, and everyone benefits from this inclusive approach. Its projects are renowned for their innovation and flexibility. Developers worldwide frequently introduce new features and updates, fostering a dynamic environment. The collaborative nature of open source ensures swift issue identification and resolution, resulting in more stable and secure products. A major advantage of open source is its adaptability. Users can customize and modify software to suit specific requirements without the burden of expensive licensing fees or reliance on proprietary software. Operating systems. In addition to Linux, you can consider using FreeBSD. These are open source Unix-like operating system that provides a robust and secure alternative. Web servers. Besides Apache, you can use Minx, another open source web server that is known for its performance, scalability, and efficient handling of web traffic. Content management systems. While WordPress and Drupal are popular choices, you can also explore Joomla, an open source content management system, CMS, that offers a user-friendly interface and extensibility for website development. Office productivity software. Alongside LibreOffice, you can use Apache OpenOffice, another open source office suite that includes word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation software, as an alternative to Microsoft Office. Graphics and design. In addition to GIMP, you can try Krita, an open source digital painting and illustration program that rivals Adobe Photoshop in functionality. Programming languages. Besides Python and JavaScript, you can explore Ruby, an open source scripting language known for its simplicity and productivity, or R for statistical computing and data analysis. Database management systems. In addition to MySQL and PostgreSQL, you can consider MariaDB, an open source relational database management system that is compatible with MySQL and offers enhanced performance and features. DevOps tools. Alongside Jenkins and Ansible, you can use GitLab C/CD, an open source DevOps platform that provides source code management, continuous integration, and continuous delivery capabilities. Internet of Things, IoT, platforms. In addition to Eclipse IoT and Home Assistant, you can check out OpenHab, an open source home automation platform that supports a wide range of IoT devices and protocols. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Apart from TensorFlow and scikit-learn, you can explore PyTorch. Is known for its dynamic computation graph and flexibility. It's an open source deep learning framework that is widely used for building neural network models and conducting research in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Embrace the opportunity, let your skills take flight. In the open source realm, where innovations light. With boundless possibilities, together we can see. Open source resources, unlocking what can be. So seize the chance, for knowledge to explore. With open sources, there's always something more. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.